Code is so cheap to go create, which means that product taste is really the alpha today. People, especially product managers, there's all this hype around, is it going to be the death of PMs? I'll tell you this, we're hiring more PMs than ever, we're hiring more engineers than ever. The ones that stand out are those that actually have an opinion and a taste around what to go build. And so today, a little cheeky, but can we try to create taste? Can we try to have the PMs that are watching this have an upper hand to actually create that product taste? Well, where does product taste actually come from? You look at kind of some of the best products out there, and what they're doing is taking in a ton of feedback. The best PMs do this. Best PMs, YC says this to every single cohort, which is talk to users and go build. And I think what we see is that in order to actually create taste, you need to be getting feedback from a ton of different sources. It could be everything from where your team stores those issues. It could be from GitHub discussions or in real life discussions, from Slack and Discord, from your actual community talking to you. But also, we see teams building out really a context graph with all of this feedback. Everything from Gong transcripts every time you talk to your customers. Your product analytic tools from Post-hoc and Amplitude and Pendo and Full Story, even down to Twitter. If you have a product that your users are tweeting about and sharing feedback on, these are all ways for you to actually create and cultivate that feedback source. And instead of having just a human consume it, you can actually have your agent consume that feedback.
Today's episode is brought to you by Vanta. As a founder, you're moving fast toward product market fit, your next round, or your first big enterprise deal. But with AI accelerating how quickly startups build and ship, security expectations are higher earlier than ever. Getting security and compliance right can unlock growth, or stall it if you wait too long. With deep integrations and automated workflows built for fast-moving teams, Vanta gets you audit-ready fast and keeps you secure with continuous monitoring as your models, infra, and customers evolve. Fast-growing startups like LangChain, Writer, and Cursor trusted Vanta to build a scalable foundation from the start. So go to vanta.com/Akash, that's vanta.com/AAKASH, to save $1,000 and join over 10,000 ambitious companies already scaling with Vanta. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.